Thanks for stopping by and checking out my channel. My name's Ray, and my channel is House Dr. Ray. My journey started when I was very young with my father. He was the guy in the neighborhood everyone went to when they needed something fixed, whether it was car trouble, plumbing, electrical, or a broken dryer. He was able to fix anything he came across and taught my brother and I how to use our hands and, more importantly, our brains to fix things. When I finished high school, I joined the Air Force and was trained to be a jet engine technician. When I wasn't on duty, I was working at the local junkyard or working on my latest car. After that, I worked briefly as an auto mechanic, but I knew I needed a more stable job with the possibility to advance. Through a friend, I was given the opportunity to take a temporary position at a large company in their custodial department. It was a big cut in pay, but did provide medical benefits. I decided to take the chance and went for it. Once I got there, I worked hard and moved up quickly. Then I met my wife, and we had two beautiful, headstrong girls. When they were small, they would often help me in the workshop or with projects around the house. As they got older, their interest grew, and my projects were put on hold to take them where they needed to go and to attend recitals. Years passed, and my tools collected dust and rust. Then I had the opportunity to leave my job without putting my family in financial jeopardy. It would mean moving to another state. We decided to go for it, and I dusted off my tools, cleaned the rust, and started doing handyman work. It was rough at first, but the girls met new friends and actually enjoyed their new school, even with the uniforms. My wife was able to help me in the new venture, and we also worked on projects together around the house. Things were starting to look great. Then, 2020 happened. Since I couldn't go to people's houses and do repairs anymore, I spent more time working on projects around the house. We decided to change over to YouTube, and my wife became the producer, director, camera crew, and caterer. I had the easy part and just had to talk and fix or build things. We're learning a lot and making lots of mistakes, but things are progressing. We've had a few videos do well and a few failures. I still don't know where this is going to go, but I hope you tag along and watch what we do. Click that subscribe button and notification bell so when we put out videos you'll get notified. If you see something you like, hit the thumbs up button and let us know. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down button twice to make sure we really get the message. Comments are always appreciated, especially with questions or constructive advice. Thanks for watching this, and I hope you'll come back for more.